Good afternoon, fellow traders. Black Coffee Trader coming to you on a Thursday, September the 5th. And I had another red day. That exact same red amount as yesterday, 968. Go figure. And the crazy thing is today we had losses, almost max loss, my daily max losses on the 350K accounts. And my first trade of the day was on the 150K account, and that was an $84 winner. The only trade I took on that account ended up being the only green account I had for the entire day. So what a horrifically bad day it was for me. But anyway, 968 down 350 to 340 across these three accounts, and yeah, just a little bit there. So as far as the week goes on those accounts, Rhythmic is actually saying 928 today. Yesterday it said 948. So I did a refresh on this, but I still am getting some weird numbers. But in any case, so we've given back, from $3 to $94 on the 50K accounts. I basically gave back today what I made the first couple days of the week. And we regained a little bit back on that 150K. So overall, that's kind of where that's at. But yeah, today was just not a good day. I think that the moral of today for me really was I was trying to catch longs. I was really too biased on looking for levels. I took a lot more trades on the Dow, for example. I took several trades here looking for a long off a level, and we were just breaking down. Let's go back here. This was the good trade. This is the trade I took on the 150K account. Nice rejection play there. I did have this level at 19.1. That's where that level was sitting at. So for example, let's just move it. This level was sitting about right there. That's where I had it. And the failure there then was on this specific account, on the 59 account. I was looking for longs. I did have a winning long here, but as you can see, I had some losing longs, some bigger losing trades. I was looking for this to go higher, and it just didn't happen. And I decided to move this, and I'll explain this in a minute. But I decided to move this level up here. And if, had I seen that earlier in the day, I may not have taken, I probably wouldn't have taken those trades, because that's typically kind of my signal is where my level is at. I know what the market's doing, in or around that. So bit of a mistake there. ES, I did not take any trades on ES today. On the Dow, again, kind of the same thing. Here I was looking for a little short. That was a winning trade, not at a level. And then here I was just looking for this to bounce, and I had some right, but I had some wrong. I had some bigger wrongs. And likewise, this level here, I did have it up at the 700s. That's why I was looking for a bounce along here. I did move that as well. I'll talk more about that in a minute. Gold took a couple trades here, and gold was just not playing today, and I was looking for a bounce long. And again, I was a little bit too impatient, and then also at times the move looked like it was happening, took the trade, and I was just wrong. So that's just the way it is. This one kind of mean, where we fell down below. I did take a short here and got a little bit out of that one. And then looking for this to reject, and it absolutely did not, and just pushed back through, then fell back down, and then we finally went. So just, the level didn't play, and I took the brunt of that today. So let's take a look at, might as well jump into TradeZella while we're here. Today, very, very poor win rate, very, very poor, 31%. I overall just couldn't get any trades to work. As you can see, same dollar as yesterday, according to the accounts dashboard here and what we're reporting in TradeZella. Down 1,800, which kind of stinks, but oh well, it is what it is. So you're going to have those days, and yesterday it was all done on this account, and today it was all done on the other three. Go figure. But we've got the whole month, and I'm not too worried about it. The market has definitely been difficult. We are more in more of a downtrend and kind of a sideways trend, and it's just, I need to flip my mentality from, I've been too much looking for bounces long. I've really been looking for that way too much. So where do we go from here? Kind of my thesis, a couple things I did. Like I said, this level was at 19.1, and I moved it to here predominantly because this high today was exactly at this low from the end of August the 29th, exactly at that low. So that to me is where that level needs to be. I did not look at that this morning, and I should have. I believe that may also line up with Right back here, we had a low almost at that same spot. So anyway, I just feel like that's a better point. And if I'd had that there today, I may have traded that a little bit differently. But I also feel like there are two major levels. Right here, we have like about the 18.3280s maybe, and then the 17.680s probably. These are two major levels that I think we need to be on the lookout for. Let's look at the 4-hour chart here. That line up from back here. We had a lot of holds coming in here off this 280 range, and we had some holds coming in right here on this 17 and a high here on this 17.780 or 680 or whatever that one is. A high right here that we turned into support, a rejection that we turned into support. So those are two big levels that I'm looking at, and I'm kind of concerned with the way that this market is going. Tomorrow we have non-farm payroll, and that's a pretty big deal. So we could, if those numbers are negative, we could really see this thing tumble. If they are positive, then obviously we're going to be looking for, this level, hopefully, or one of these levels to hold. Some of these are kind of micro levels that I have in here based on a couple of lows. That's why I have those levels here. But those are a little bit more loosely defined. If non-farm payroll is bad tomorrow, look out below. We're going to probably, we could see this thing really tank. If it is good, we could see a pullback into one of the levels or hold this major one we're at right now and then see further upside. So that's kind of what I'm looking for tomorrow. Just really keeping an eye on this in case the numbers are bad and we continue this fall down. On ES, kind of similar. I don't think I moved a level on ES today. No, I don't think I did. But still have a couple big levels here. This 5,500 area that we've been holding at. We were up here the last couple days, kind of holding on to this thing. So again, if non-farm payroll is good, we could see this thing bounce back up. If not, I wouldn't be surprised to see this tumble down to some of these bigger levels here down below. The Dow, kind of the same way. I did adjust this level a little bit. I think I talked about that. This particular trade, I did have this level here around the 700s, and I moved it down to the 600s because of this hold coming back here. I had it up in this level, in this area, and it just didn't seem to be as important as, especially now that we hit this low point here. That was the bounce today, and I did this obviously after the trading day, but that bounce is really significant because of this hold back here in May. So that's where I've got that set at. So gold, not much change there. Still have a couple of key holds that we're looking for, but we kind of bounced back up today. Today was really kind of, went a little bit sideways, and we finally worked our way back out of it. But really nothing much there for me today on gold. And I did take a couple of those trades, but overall didn't take that many trades today. Just the ones I took, they didn't work, and I was wrong. And I have to also show you my evals were horrific today. I lost a 50K, I lost my 250K, and I lost one of my 150K evals, these 5 that I've been copy trading. So I only took one trade here, and I have to show you this. This is just terrible how this happened this morning. I have no idea why, but I took a short this morning, copy trading 5. I got stopped out, and it put me in a reverse position. Then I had to go through singularly and close out each position, and the one that's blown was affected the most for whatever reason. That one was down about 1,000 more than these were. So I closed them, and then it repositioned them again. So it was weird. I've never seen that happen before, but it had to be something with the copy trader. But I entered, got stopped out, would have been about I forget even what the loss was, 800-900 maybe. And then, yeah, I had to run through, close each one of them, and then it re-entered them again. So I basically took, it shows like I took 3 trades, but I really only took 1, and the result was down 1700 across all of them. And then the other one that we no longer have was down like 2800. And what I decided to do in the afternoon, I was pretty much done trading by lunchtime or late morning, and then I just closed the charts and I opened it back up in the afternoon, and I said, you know what, we had that move going on here in the afternoon. We had this move back up around the one, nope, it was here, the move down around 3 o'clock, 3:15. And I got into this, and right here I just tried to make this back, that one account. I tried to kind of make some back, and I ended up blowing that account. So we have 4 of them left. The take profit ones, took a couple trades there, down 600, and I'm going to adhere to these daily losses. Now I didn't on the one that was closer to blown, and I decided to give that 150K a shot, but tomorrow's a new day, and I'm just going to stick to that. We kind of lost one of the days because this is about what I've had about 1,500 in profit each day. Today we gave it back, unfortunately. So tomorrow's a new day, but that's kind of how we roll, and that's where we're at. So yeah, we shall see. Tomorrow's non-farm payroll should be interesting, and we'll see what happens, but we'll be back at it tomorrow. So today's in the books. Hope you guys had a good day. Hope you had a better day than I did. And let's wrap up Friday on a good day tomorrow. So have a great night. Have a good trading day tomorrow. I'll try to have another update for you tomorrow afternoon. Thanks again. Appreciate you guys. Take care, and so long.